Never a rep without checking all your steps in your mechanics first. Always check your feet. Check your stance, your weight distribution, feet shoulder width apart. As you draw back, your weight should be slightly shifted onto your front foot for stability of the recoil of the bow. And always check your grip. You see me doing this all the time, stroking my grip here a little bit. Make sure your grip's good. Make sure your shoulder's ready, down, up. Find your anchor point. Then your peep. And don't forget to follow through. If you put that in your head on every arrow over and over and over, hundreds, thousands of times, it becomes muscle memory. Even if it becomes muscle memory, I still do it. Check my feet. If I haven't moved from my position, I'll at least check my balance and make sure my weight distribution is proper.